Want to earn recurring commissions effortlessly? Get ready to discover the secret. Welcome to our Skooolify review, where we reveal how you can start earning recurring commissions with ease. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sound too good to be true? Think again. Tired of struggling to make consistent income online? We have the ultimate solution. Meet Skooolify, the revolutionary platform that makes earning recurring commissions effortless. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real users inside who are effortlessly earning with Skooolify. With Skooolify, you get zero upfront costs, easy-to-use tools, and a supportive community that helps you every step of the way. It's simple. Join Skooolify, follow our proven strategies, and watch your commissions grow. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to start your Skooolify journey and earn recurring commissions effortlessly. Subscribe for more insider tips and start your path to effortless earnings with Skooolify. Your success story starts now. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and join the earning revolution with Skooolify.